Very good quarter indeed. Tell us, how does the internals look and what were the triggers for these kind of numbers?
Well, the main trigger was the fact that this is the first quarter after 2 full years when there wasn't any impact of COVID on the operations of the company. And the second big trigger for the good bottom line results, of course, was all the cost cutting that we have done over the last couple of years and the efficiency that we've brought into our operations. So both of these combined, put together, have given the solid growth in revenues as well as the growth in bottom line.
Right. Prashant, I believe that now your core beta is just 7% short of what the pre-pandemic levels were. And you have taken a lot of cost-cutting initiatives, etc. Tell us, what's the visibility on your margins going forward, EBITDA going forward, next 2-3 quarters? Do you see combination of these factors take the levels back to the normalized levels?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, I've said this earlier as well, that if COVID were not to come back in any form, then the company's results should continue to improve from this point onwards. And the reason for the margins to enhance, of course, is one I mentioned already, that the operating costs have been significantly pruned, and we've retained those cost cuts even in this good year. But the second thing is that our solutions business has seen a continuous expansion in margins in the last 3 or 4 years' time. And that's the reason why both our businesses, which is the core radio business as well as the solutions business, are reporting growth in margins. So I expect that in the coming quarters, margins should continue to grow from where they are. Revenue should continue to grow from where they are. And if everything goes well, then after 3 full years, we should be close to about 90% of our pre-pandemic numbers in terms of revenues, and close to 100% or maybe even a shade ahead of our pre-pandemic EBITDA numbers.
That's good news for the shareholders. Prashant, before we let you go, tell us, how are your digital initiatives doing? We are talking about the app and also the MPing audio network, Mirchi Plus app, etc. What kind of promise do they hold for coming quarters?
Well, again, just look at it. We've been saying this for some time now, that the company is moving, headlong into the digital space, and it sees itself addressing 1 billion Indians once it turns into a digital-first company, rather than just 200 million people that the FM business operations really targeted. We launched our digital platform 4 months ago. The response to the platform has been extremely heartwarming. We are getting very good engagement times. We are getting very good repeat usage. The DAO to MAU ratio is extremely encouraging. The number of people who are giving us login details is extremely interesting. So basically, all these signs that point towards a fast growth in the digital platform are very much there. But remember, the digital platform business is a long haul business, and we are ready for that. But the other and really exciting product that we've launched this quarter is what we've called MPing. And think about it, that if there are probably 5,000 crore rupees worth of audio advertising that is slated to happen in this country in the near future, a lot of that is going to go towards digital platforms. And really, there isn't any direct facility available for advertisers to put their audio spots on a multitude of digital platforms. So the MPing audio platform actually is doing just that. It allows advertisers to place their audio spots in a variety of digital publications which publish audio content. I think we're very excited about it. Now, between the digital platform and MPing and the regular digital content business that we do, is how we see our digital component rising to 25% in the next few years. And that's something that we've been saying again for some time.
Prashant, thanks so much for joining us, and good luck for
Thank you very
coming
much.
quarters. That was Prashant Pandey. Sorry.